Welcome to your practice of Yoga Nidra. Take some time out of your day. Settle down in a comfortable space. Have your back fully supported. If you're lay down, rest your arms gently at your sides, palms facing up, allowing your legs and feet to naturally fall open. And if it feels more comfortable, place a cushion or a bolster under your knees and a blanket over you for warmth. Your practice is designed to guide you into a state of profound rest, designed to help you release tension, quieten your mind, and prepare you for a deep and nourishing sleep. As your body rests in deep relaxation, your mind will hover in a peaceful, restorative state in between wakefulness and sleep. There's no need to try and fall asleep. Simply listen to my voice. Allow yourself to be carried into a space of deep peace and relaxation. And if you could be 2, 5 or 10% more comfortable by making a shift or shuffle, make that move right now. And then settle back into stillness. Letting go of any expectations for your practice. And remembering that Yoga Nidra is a unique experience to each and every one of us. And once you feel comfortable, begin to connect to your breath. Take a deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out through your mouth. 2 more times, breathe in deeply. Last time, take a deep breath in and exhale fully, releasing all tension. And now just allow the breathing to return to its natural rhythm without paying any particular attention to it at all. And as you lay here, take a quick body scan from your head down to your toes. Aware of your crown, your sense of wisdom, strength and focus, keeping you safe. Relax your forehead. Relax all the space at the back of your eyes. Relax your nose. Relax your mouth, your jaw. Allow the shoulders to soften. Relax your chest, your abdomen, your glutes, and your hips. Making that energetic shift from human doing to human being as you create a blank canvas for your practice. And in this state of deep rest, set a sankalpa, a heartfelt intention for a deep and restful sleep. This could be, I am calm, I am safe, and sleep comes easily to me. more deep, restful sleep nourishes my body and mind. You could use one of these or create something that is more unique to you. Choose simple, clear words for your intention. Then say it to yourself 3 times silently, with the knowing that it's true. And now I'll guide you on a rotation of consciousness throughout the entire body. When I mention different body parts, you can bring your awareness to that body part. You could simply follow along without any effort. Or you can just listen to my voice, bringing your awareness to your right hand thumb, your right second finger, your right third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, your right little finger. Bring awareness to the palm of your right hand, the back of your right hand, your wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, and shoulder. Bring awareness to your right collarbone, the right side of the chest, the right waist, the right hip, the right thigh, the right knee, the right shin, the right ankle, top of the right foot, the sole of the right foot, the big toe, the second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. And now bring your awareness to your left hand thumb, the second finger, third finger, fourth finger, little finger, the palm of your left hand, the back of your left hand, the wrist, the forearm, the elbow, the upper arm, the shoulder, the left collarbone, the left side of the chest, the left waist, the left hip, the left thigh, the left knee, the left shin, the left ankle, the top of the left foot, the sole of the foot, the big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. And now bring your awareness to the back of the body, the back of the head, the neck, shoulders, the upper back, the middle back, the lower back, the right buttock, and the left buttock. And now bring awareness to the front of the body, the forehead, the eyebrows, the space between your eyebrows, the muscles at the back of the eyes, and the muscles that surround the eyes, the eyelids, cheeks, nose, lips, jaw, and chin, your throat, your heart center, your chest, your belly, the whole of your front body, the whole of your back body, the whole body together, resting completely still, drenched in deep relaxation. And now bring awareness to your breath. With each inhale, a sense of deep peace and calm fills your body. And with each exhale, any tension in the mind and the body melts away. And now imagine yourself settled under the moonlight on a warm summer's evening. The air is soft and gentle against your skin. You are resting on thick plush blankets that support the whole of your back body, filling every gap that's beneath you, cradling you in comfort and ease. You feel held, supported, nurtured by the earth beneath you. A deep sense of grounding and connection spreads through you, as if the very heartbeat of the earth beneath you is beating in sync with your own heart, soothing, steady, rhythmic, and regular. And as you gaze towards the moonlit moon, you feel a quiet stillness in the air, a sacred presence wrapping around you. The moonlight bathes you in a gentle glow. You bring awareness to your heart. And as you inhale, you feel a radiant energy from the moon expanding in your heart. As you exhale, your heart glows brighter. Your heart expands further with each inhale and exhale, expanding with love and with light. And maybe you notice brilliant colors swirling, soft pinks, deep purples, golden yellows, an alchemy of purpose and wisdom, like a radiant purpose-filled sunshine glowing from your heart. This light spreads outward, gently covering your entire body, wrapping you in a cocoon of peace and warmth. And with each inhale and exhale, imagine this light expanding beyond you, flowing outward to your loved ones, embracing them in the same loving, comforting radiance. And now the light extends even further, reaching every being, every tree, every creature, until it stretches across the entire world. It touches every living thing with harmony, balance, and equanimity. You are at one with the universe, deeply held, completely safe, and filled with infinite love and light. There's nothing to do, nowhere to be, simply resting, cradled by the cosmos. Surrendering to sleep and letting go, allowing yourself to drift effortlessly into the space between wakefulness and sleep. The mind softens, the breath slows, the body is heavy. If sleep arrives, drift into simple rest and a tranquil state, knowing that you are safe and that the deep relaxation and rest rejuvenates and restores your body and mind. If you are practicing this before bedtime, you may remain here, allowing sleep to gently embrace you. And if you need to return to wakefulness, begin to deepen your breath, expanding your awareness, remembering your space in the room, remembering the surface that you're lying on. Bring awareness to your fingertips and gently begin to wiggle them. And do the same with your toes. Gradually bringing movement back into the body. And if it feels right, whenever you're ready, slowly blinking your eyes open, carrying this peace with you into the rest of your night. Namaste.